Hello everybody! For today's video mga kabyo-corner, as Michelle Marquez V ng Philippines, pasabog ang kanyang bagong release of photo para sa Miss Universe 2023. Narito ating panuorin.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
Mga byo-corneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.